So again, ladies and gentlemen, now this video I am going to capture from the setup, the signing up stage, how to log in, and then to how to buy your first shares on IC. And for you guys, now this is what I have to say. If you haven't watched my previous video, you have to go and watch it for me. So if you haven't watched this video, kindly go and watch it on my YouTube channel. It's on my YouTube channel. Go there, you're going to find this video over there. Watch it for much understanding about stocks. I talk about the stocks, the type of stocks that we have that are available on the market, and everything you need to know about those stocks trading market. So if you haven't watched it, kindly go and watch it. The name is Total Beginners Lesson on Stocks. Whatever you see over here is not a financial advice. Do your own research. Whatever is going on, like you see over here, is not financial advice. Do your own, I beg you, do your own research. Good. Okay, so this is the only platform that support allows you to invest in stocks, mutual funds, and fixed income. Now, when you come here, it's going to prove to you that the app is available on App Store. For those of us using iPhone, okay, you can get it on App Store, and then those of us also on Google or Android, okay, Google phones on or Android phones can go and get it on Google Play Store. Now this is what you have to do. Now this is what I'm going to do over here. I want you to expect this on my channel. I'm going to do it in two folds. Okay, I'm going to do this video on two folds. First of all, one will be on my laptop, just like I'm doing right now, and then the second one is going to be on my mobile phone, of which I'm going to do a screen recording of it, and I'll post both of them on the YouTube channel. So if in case you need any assistance on logging in or registering with your mobile phone, you can go there, the YouTube channel, and check it out, watch it out, and then you have much understanding of it, and then you start investing on your mobile phone. If you want to also do it on your laptop for the best view, you can also go there and then you find it over there, and then you start doing it on your laptop. Make it very simple for you guys to understand it very well. Okay, so it is very best and better to retire, to invest in your retirement, or to invest in your future, to invest in your 5-year self, to invest in your 10-year self, because nobody knows tomorrow. Anything can happen anytime. That is the best advice I do recommend to read the young guys. So this is what you have to know when you come here like this. It says please select your account type to continue. Now you have individual, you have institution. You individual person, you are going for this one. But if it's an institution of which you are making investment towards an institution, you're going to choose this one, institution. Now for me, since I'm being an individual person, I'm going to choose individual. Okay, and then we wait for the platform to open onto us. Then we move to the next stage. Your name, your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, your password. Make sure you have a very strong password, of which these letters over here are included. Okay, these characters over here are included, so that after that you click on create your account. Okay, now this is what I've already done, something I've already done so far. So just like I said in the title of the video, that this I'm going to show you how to buy your first share, okay, in ICWolf, with ICWolf, or in ICWolf app. So I'm going to show you how to buy your first share. So let me log in. Let me go back and log in into my account, and then so this is my platform. This is my platform. This is my main account, of which this is my main account. Okay, so today I'm going to buy my my first share. I'm going to teach you how to buy your first share. Let me put it that way. So today I'm going to teach you how to buy your first share with ICWolf. Now let me explain a bit for you to understand very well. So when you open the platforms like this, you are going to have something called the Trade Live portfolio, and you're going to see this IC liquidity fund. for better understanding, I'm going to explain very well for you to understand it very, very well. When you open your mobile phone, you're going to see these two over there. First of all, initially it's going to be one. First, because since you're a new beginner, you're going to see only this one. I see the liquidity fund because you're a new beginner. So as time goes on, when your account gets approved that you can trade live, then they will give you this portfolio too. Now, aside these two portfolio, you can also create one over here. You can click on the add and then you name the portfolio yourself and you set your target for it, and then your targeted date and how much you will deposit every monthly. Then the account is set. Okay, because I'm not going to set that account over there, I'm not ready for that, so I have to create it and then proceed to the next stage. Now when it comes to trade live like this, trade live can be clicked over here. Let me go to details. This is my trade live. I can also access it from the top there. So here are some of the things that stocks I have invested so far. Some of the stocks are invested, or some of the companies I've invested so far. Okay, now this is my balance over here portfolio. You can see trade live portfolio, and then there's the you can see over here. So the highest amount of them is access, and then the rest MTN shares, and then you can see over here. So I'm going to show you how to buy your first. I add funds and then I can withdraw, and also transfer some of the funds over here to another portfolio. Okay, so let me go back. This is not what I'm going to teach over here. So let me show you how to buy your first shares over here. Now, to buy your first shares, okay, you have to know the amount of money you have available in your trade life portfolio. It is very, very small. So this is what I have to do. I have to move these funds over here to this place. I have to move the funds I have in the IC liquidity funds to the trade life portfolio. Now this is how it's going to be. I'll go to the detail and then I'll click on transfer funds. Okay, the transfer funds, I'm going to transfer from where IC liquidity fund to trade life. I'm making it very simple for you guys to understand. Now it says amount remaining in IC liquidity fund is 29 cedis. Now 29 cedis, I'm going to transfer only 9 cedis, remaining 20. Okay, submit. So I've transferred only 29 cedis from my IC liquidity fund to trade life. Now let's go to trade life. We have come to trade life. Now we come to trade life here. Let me go back. If you are using a laptop, you come to this trade life again. Okay, that is where the market is going to the market data is going to be open onto you, and you are going to see the list of companies over there yourself. Every company will be listed over there except those that are not available. So we have available amount, which is 8 Ghana cedis, or a total of 12 Ghana cedis available that we can use to trade. So you have 12 Ghana cedis available, of which you can use to trade or buy any commodity that we prefer. Now let me explain this side for you to understand. I want you to listen to it very carefully over here. Now, when you come here, the companies are listed over here. You have MTN Ghana as the first company, Cal Bank, Access Bank, Das Pharma, AADS, ADB Bank, Agriculture Development Bank. You have Anglo Gold Ashanti Limited, Atlantic Lithium, okay, and then we have Ashanti Gold. We have Benso Oil Farm, Palm Plantation. We have, a lot of companies have been listed over here. A lot of companies, okay, a lot of companies are listed over here. But today I'm going to show you something very unique: how to buy shares over here. Now you see over here that there's something called price over here, and we have 1 day change, we have your shares, we have 1 year high and 1 year low. I'm going to break it down for you to understand very well. It's very simple. When you check over here, okay, 1 year low, 1 year high, 1 year low, 1 year high, and then the price over here. And then we have the days change. Okay, the days change, number of days change. So let me begin from MTN. MTN has decreased by 1 cedi in the day change, and then we have the price over here. So 1 unit of MTN shares is called 6 cedis, 54 pesos. 1 unit, just 1 unit of MTN Ghana is 6 cedis, 54 pesos. And then 1 unit of Car Bank is 0.7. You can see over here. 1 unit of Access Bank is 46.61. 61. Let me put that way. 46.61. It means 46 cedis 0.61. So let's just imagine you are buying. Just imagine you are buying 10. So 46 times 10. You need to have 466.1 Ghana cedis in your account. Okay, that's how it is. That's how it is. So we have that farmer. All these are the prices per shares we are going to show over. So let's say if you want to buy 2 units of Anglo Gold Ashanti Limited, which is 37 per one. Okay, so you need to have 47 cedis in your account to buy them. Okay, you have some. You can see over there. You have the buy. You have some buy. Have some sell. The reason is that the ones I've already bought some shares over there, I can have access to sell them anytime I want. That's why it's available for the sale. And the one I've not buy any shares with them, there's no availability for selling. Okay, that's how it is. Income too. With the fixed income, you can buy your treasury bill, or you have the treasury bill over here. We have the 182 days, we have the 90 days, 91 days, and we have 364 days. Okay, so each has its yield maturity date. So let me buy my one share. The share that I'm going to buy, I've heard of this lithium. Ghana is going to do well in lithium, whatever news I saw about it. So I want to just buy some lithiums over here and then paste it down. So let me see if I can buy 2 shares of one cost 6 is 50 pesos. So let me see if the current price will allow me. Insufficient balance top up before Ghana says. Let me see. Okay, so 6 cedis. Okay, plus charges, right? Plus charges over here. You can see charges 0.16 over here. How many minutes have I spent so far? Plus charges 0.16 over here. So I can just click on proceed and then submit. So confirm your total. You need to confirm before you submit. So I've confirmed before I've submitted. Now let's see what's happening now. Okay, so I've bought 1 lithium over here. Where is it? Yeah, I've been able to buy just one lithium. Now let me just use my 2 Ghana cedis on something. The 2 Ghana cedis, which one can I buy? So I buy Car Bank. Car Bank is going to sell. Okay. I just want to buy something that is okay. Let's go for this one. I don't know. Let's go for this one. I don't know what the company is about, but let me see if I can get 2 shares over here. Okay, fine. You can get 2 shares. Proceed. Okay. Others has been submitted. Nice one. So you see, I've been able to buy 2 stocks with you guys. I've been able to help you guys buy your first and your second stock. Now this is the overview for laptop view. Okay, I'm going to do the mobile view session over here, and then you're going to go. So this is the available balance I have right now. Okay, that I've been able to buy. If you want to check the history, you can also come here, check the history yourself. So it's pending. The one I just bought 16th March, 22nd, and then 22nd March. So I just bought two quantities of what you call CLYD, and then one quantity of lithium, like lithium, lithium. Okay, this is a small amount of money I used to buy this, just small amount of money.